Welcome to Epochs Across Eras. On this channel, we uncover the milestones, legends, and innovations that defined our past. Today, we'll explore one of humanity's most transformative achievements, the birth of agriculture in ancient China. Before the dawn of agriculture, humanity's survival depended entirely on the natural world. Early humans hunted wild animals, gathered berries, roots, and nuts, and moved constantly in search of food. However, around 10,000 BCE, everything began to change. The Neolithic revolution marked humanity's first steps toward controlling their environment instead of adapting to it. In China, this transition unfolded gradually. The northern plains, rich in fertile soil, became the cradle of millet farming, while the southern Yangtze River Valley saw the domestication of rice. These two crops became the foundation of ancient Chinese agriculture, providing consistent food supplies and fostering stability. Farming required more than just planting seeds. It was a complex process that demanded planning, observation, and patience. Early farmers needed to understand soil quality, rainfall patterns, and how to store seeds for the next planting season. They experimented with different techniques, learning which crops thrived under specific conditions. Domestication of animals played an equally critical role. Pigs, one of the first domesticated animals in China, provided meat and could survive on food scraps. Chickens, ducks, and even water buffalo followed, offering not just food but also labor for plowing fields. This combination of agriculture and animal husbandry laid the groundwork for more advanced societies. The Neolithic period was a time of trial and error. Successes and failures shaped farming practices, and the knowledge gained was passed down through generations. This accumulated wisdom allowed communities to grow, transforming scattered groups of foragers into thriving villages. Farming in Neolithic China was labor-intensive and required innovation. Tools made of stone, bone, and wood were vital. Farmers used digging sticks to till the soil, sickles to harvest crops, and grinding stones to process grains into flour. These tools, though simple by today's standards, revolutionized life for Neolithic humans. With each harvest, they refined their methods, developing better ways to grow and store food. Early granaries, constructed from clay and stone, protected surplus crops from pests and harsh weather. Farming wasn't just a solitary activity, it brought people together. Communities worked collectively to dig irrigation canals, build storage facilities, and protect crops from wild animals. This spirit of cooperation was a defining feature of Neolithic agricultural life. Beyond the fields, farming also influenced other aspects of life. The surplus of food allowed people to focus on pottery, toolmaking, and even trade. Pottery was particularly important for storing food and water, and its intricate designs tell us about the emerging culture of the time. The transition to agriculture reshaped not only how people ate but also how they lived. Permanent settlements began to emerge around fertile lands, forming the first villages and small towns. These settlements were more than just clusters of homes, they were communities united by shared goals. With stable food supplies, populations grew, and people began specializing in different tasks. Some became skilled potters, toolmakers, or traders, exchanging goods with nearby communities. This division of labor marked the beginning of organized society. The sense of community also gave rise to rudimentary governance. Decisions about irrigation, storage, and crop protection were made collectively, laying the foundation for the more complex social hierarchies of later dynasties. The dawn of agriculture in China was more than a technological breakthrough, it was a turning point in human history. By taming the land, early humans took their first steps toward building the civilizations we know today. Agriculture allowed humans to settle, innovate, and grow. It fostered cultural development, population expansion, and the eventual rise of cities and states. Its legacy is woven into the fabric of modern life, from the food we eat to the communities we build. Thank you for watching Epochs Across Eras. If you enjoyed this journey through history, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep exploring the epochs that define us all.